Here we are, over in Wrexham this morning, installing a Starlink on an eco building. Nice log cabin. Nice easy install. It's all made out of wood, so we screwed a 12x12 galvanised bracket into one of the thick beams. A little 2-foot mast just to get over that roof line. Clear line of sight. Stapled the cable right along the top, down and in through an existing hole. Fitted the router and his mesh system in here. Customer's now receiving 250 megabytes plus all throughout his cabin, as opposed to his old 4G, which he was getting about 3 megabytes per second off. This is Aaron and Phil for Space Internet Solutions.